How to change Discord profile picture? Open Discord first of all. At the bottom left, as you can see my current profile picture. To change it, go to settings. At the bottom left, now go to profiles. Here click on change avatar. Now you have to click on upload image or choose the GIF. You can select any one of your choice. And open it. Here you will see the option to maximize the image, and you can also slide it in this way and place it wherever you'd like to, or you can click on skip as well and click on apply button. After that, click on save changes, and this way you can easily change the profile picture of Discord. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.